Mayam Bakram Zari, Doning Birbis Impact News, Nay Rajnong Tangbam, Manuhuna Saturday night show, the Mayam Mutaram Nokchari. Now it's time you all join me in extending a warm welcome to one of the finest actresses of Manipuri cinema, a very popular face in Manipuri music video, a model, and also a singing sensation. Ladies and gentlemen, put it together for Soma Laishram. Soma Nokchari, welcome to the show. Appreciate your joining.
My pleasure.
The Soma Hamada is what is holding at Haitare, audience in the 2020 Hibirpa, Laiba, guest Haitare, which stars in Sigi, which stars a Karino, Makarima film, the Awin, as an artist, I'm going to start a moment to Mam, they don't have a kangba. I also think particular oina, Kari school, Tamupajano, Karamba, Lekai, Dino, Karamba, Imung, they know. I have a biodata Haitare, I don't get coming by Haitare. I do take a brief introduction about Soma Laishram.
Okay. I'm Soma, and I Kisham Patagi, Dobi Machulera, Adudagini, Aduga Bawadi Legidre, Aduga Akomama, Adega, Agichinau, Nakuchinau Marie, Sui, Quaihan, Aquedada, next Aichiche, Matanga Humsubi, I, and third, my younger brother. Adegi, I did my schooling at Little Flower School. And high secondary at Temple of Learning, Kanchipur. And then I finished my graduation at Rajasthan University. So
that's it. More? Public domain as a film artist, as an actress, as a model, as a singer. Haripa avatar mayam si or tring I see the Hitare, Angangoring at the flashback, the Karachalaga, the film that Diam Yaw in a flashback attack, like money Dalaga, tiny Ariu Wari Hitare and Mina, Angangoring at the Gi, Somagi life Secomaitopono, singing and dancing is predominantly on Pomjeri, Angangoring at the Gi, Kariguari no can leave you.
Very true. To be very frank, singing and dancing is always my hobby since my childhood. I don't know, any school competition and lekai competition or any part of it, yaure. Adegi family na siyam support away. I being I did the mind tauba. Adegi and then started my modeling career after 10. Aduna aigi cousin Nene Malay. She is a choreographer and a model, Nina Takelambam.
Okay, Nina Takelambam.
Manas Mina modeling fields pusan bide. And then Kangde Adum like being an artist is not my option. I get option that I get dream that the artist mo oige model mo oige have the sungai late just fat change.
Okay. Koi modeling the laki by tare artist mo oige pasi masi by chance hiding the run by choice oidura.
You can say both.
Animal kicker yauri. Tanja chari hai ta koi कहता है चरू फहो है बगी मोंग है तारे ने पर ये तो मॉडलिंग करिए तो लाया मॉडलिंग तो ये कोई तुआन बा कोई ब्यूटी पेजेंट है तारे सु सर्विया बिके मार मरुइना कोई ऑरेंज फेस्टिवल दस यो के माने
2009
हां गुवाहाटी की कोई
मेगा मिस नॉर्थ ईस्ट
हां मेगा नॉर्थ ईस्ट मिस पेजेंट दस यो बिरु माने अदु की वारिस की तंग को माने याव की बना दुगी दुना ngасai की कोई नीना ता खेलंबम कोई नेने दुना तुम गाइड तो बिरे तो गिब्रा करी मोटिवेशन लेगी कमाई तो
Nina Takelambam Aduga Agi mentor Haitare Kabita Kaisham. She's a coordinator of film Sigi film I sorry Kogi fashion industries mana adum coordinator lady music so both of them are very supportive and very helpful to me. Mabani Taraga 2009 Miss Orange Queen thoe and then the first trial in I was at the top 5 and got the award got the title for best catwalk. And then I tried next year 2010.
Best catwalk has a chat pa khwai phasa you
yes
मैं हमने पामले से अदुने रैंप तक तार के दे ख्वाई के भजन सत पदो ओ यू हैव ने अदु की टाइटल से फंगे हैव ने 2009 के हां बा कोई मिस पेजेंट थोको मतम से
and then I tried Mega Miss Northeast which was held at Guwahati Silpagram adu they do the I was crowned as Mega Miss Northeast runners up with along with the title of best traditional costume so
okay best traditional costume the su ta ki ko ado okay ki sumaina ani khak haite pageant ani yor ma matung da makata na beauty pageant sida yawbagi wakal legi dabra modeling budi adum to bigi ba malen khanje makhata na pageant da sargu abi wakal legi dabza
pageant amadi yawgi it is also notice level duka Manipur da health tawgi I was selected as a top 5 but I didn't get any title
ado kari kari di mathok tan khani hujikan di koi ayamba Manipur da su koi ka ta fashion industry gi nungsit sil abanina Manipur da yamna talented oiba koi designers mayam choreographer mayam model mayam thongna ramina sumba koi gi field sida hetare yam kanna career ma aspire tonari yamna encouraging oiba field ma hetare yamna challenging su oiba ado koi gi hana sumaina sumba koi Manipur gi pioneer hetare sumba koi gi ram da chatpa natraga beauty pageant da sargu yaba musoma soma ubrimina kari kari di masida challenges haigadra thengna bi eduga hojik sum isama hojik so dum tanja phang matam da choso brand gi dum ramp ta dum chapiri ko ado kari no what are the challenges walking on the ramp kari kari thengna bi
aina haijo hai taragadi ramp ama chatpa daga successful model ama oirakpa habisi dedication ya mathau tai plus talent is very much compulsory aduga masida any field maybe your model maybe your artist or anything so discipline is much compulsory and we have to be very presentable presence of mind yam nege davne and like qualities kara darkar tai is aina have qualities
to hariba quality mayam si sometimes akhodi yawjag tar so ichane realize to jada ba haitare ne season da bagi probably
practice hard work
practice adu ko Manipur da adumba atmosphere leita ba dagi season bam leita ba
adu leita argasu akhoi platform phang daba or else ka haitare family support yaw daba maina talent leiba ke am su phum jitlaga leiri ko aduna moi sing to so at least moi talent to explore to thoning
okay talent explore to matok ta adu somagi modeling career dagi immediately adum koi music hai ga music video da directly adum ikoi na dana adum lakh rabra gap like kamai to adu wari music video the how you entered music video industry
it's the same story my aunt Nina Takhelambam mana kena tawbaneba my family friends am leiba magi matamdura music video album si am kuina thingura kanda huziki project sigi producer oido se magi Chennai gi project ama isai masmai namgani it's a concept for dance so they need a dancer plus a good looking face so you want to give a try na hanga pengoda and of course hadi I like sings childhood singing and dancing is my passion I want to try that adu try to given and after that adu may am nung shibidana adagi khang next by next project adum
music video da sum yeng jago mata Manipuri music videos Manipur films de samag hai tari yam kan gi tanja so phangde music videos of course akoi gi YouTube na chingba mayam thropa mobile phone da yam accessible rek pati yam yeng hai tare ayam music video sing da koi maming sapa phajaba music video sing se somai ta yawler mai tare
so thank you
adu makara di lei music video se hoji phawta kya mukti tawbire duka film da su film ga music video ga se kar man hanung ai bi ama da tian bani obviously music video no am dogdi mari isai kare experience li
hoji phawta aina tawge music video se it's above 80 do but kawgi besu me am yawre aina ningsang but 80 mukti ningsange aduga ai experience tadi acting kano album hoigera adigi film hoigera chamane habdi we have to be in the character hadi album du da birebe character du da lupsa laga adu da act tawbai wane ba so hoi film sina katang budi kano analysis tawba kitang matam khara change aduga like presentation is just the same
adu music video
you have to be very serious with it
okay adu music video dagi film sida lak pai transition se changpom matam si wasi challenging oi khibra dum iwa wa gi dabra dum phalauna phangi bra mai
thabak khudimakti yam laina phangbudi oide aduga
somau bada thalauna yaram dong ma every thabak khudimak se ko
hoi
ko haina balai ko yam presentable oi ba mi se thabak su hek phangali mi na su hek pangballi habgi wafam lai aduna dai tekitang chumam dong male ko music video boiro film boiro sa sa lekta phangam dong male role se kamai taw khibja
tumari maksu haining de habdi
hona da
badiya de aduna aigi music album singse tho matung da I 12 exam tha dring ada film assignment me am lai ada hadi education also is very important so 12 exam se loi dripawti ai film kumza roena hai duga 12 exam tha balore after 12 da ai film hanba koi mama gi relative side tagi lai phijang marum dana RK tampasana na thama bandagi she's a producer and that film is directed by RK no sorry KB Mall Sharma aduga film duna aina co-act tawgibana kaiku aduda Gokul su yare Sadanda su yare Abhinav su yare adana first film da hadi matam dudadi they are a great actor I mean still now they are but they are very
matam dudagi adum oirala
matam dudai adum oirala ado I am the youngest one only and that also it's my first film first entry to the I'm experienced labor me am the thing negative thing one nervous am dum chat leba I'm khale kamai tawduno khuduno ado I asked for the script when script pare ado a character say medical student namagi pire aduga shooting do so Sikkim gi Manipal da name ada medical student habisi like they can't be very kahatare moise student nam medical student namar pa je amna studious oiba adugumbagi portray ta waina character se da yam challenging way adugi character do ada khangde script to aina ahing daga pa gi ba hayeng kai sinam doino kai director manak to da changaga si sinam den haga bhari the dialogue to chimpha ga puna baga aina yam kanaga hona gi ba nervousness me am do leitana ba aduguma struggle me am tawre adu hujik su dum tawde habe nataba every day is a struggle but khangde si dedication yam change adana yam line di phang ba
yam line phang jate every day is a new day every day is a struggle hona da bayate hard work se lepe adi habani yam pajawa khano ne duga Soma gi hujiki phizang marum da hari film se sisina ahan ba film hade debut film oigram ni na lead role oina phangi bra na traga lead role gi film se na kram kan da phangi
lead role se it's aduso lead role se kenone supportive natte second heroine oina dum ore aduga adudegi mathang da lead role oina loiba tare taraju directed by Pilu Hekruja
okay adu ithanda ne
ithanda main character do ai na dum wari do backbone do dum purak pa hai tare dumana then next ma'am
okay yam kana ba hai tare ko gi film yang gami mana question hangta ragadi question sometimes stupid question khara yaurani ado somata makhala lakchani se ko gi film da lakringa sida ko gi singing and dancing anga oni dum pamen takpire model amoina se yam kuina dum career pursue tobiri hujik sum tobiri hetare adu marakta ko gi as a television host haitare ne ko angangi program film isegi program even news reading gi sukhara leramane ko DDK Durdasan Kendra Imphal da adu karam kan da thoki bano ko miss pageant mayam 2019 gi mamang dara matung dara ko
no adu chai du da 2019 du da 2019 mamang da child artist oina Durdasan da anchoring program yam tawre plus class 2 3 dai de gi dum
okay class 2 3 de gi child anchor moina dum
how child artist adu Durdasan gi drama and then cultural program adum involved tawre du singda aduga 9 10 after 10 dagi di NE TV da kena tawzare Delhi report pare
okay Delhi report
news yes adegi Durdasan kendra su hujik su like handak chahidi kena aina schedule se pharak ta badegi ngam midar duga last year pawa Durdasan gi program akoi gi sangalasi malem by horticulture department adigi program presenter oiba adum tawai
ado koi Soma hoi gumna haidare koi sumana role model oiba mi sing sina adugumba ko yam responsible oiba program sing hata maroi no ji horticulture department gi program se tawtar gadi mayam se family follow tawnin khali ado as a responsible artist actor manipuri am oin haitare su show sing se makhata na tawning boi wakhal lebi brakari haibini masi mathok tan khan bi bra not only Soma khata na koi manipur gi mayam na follow tori ba actor actresses mayam se mo khoi sumba makal gi social campaign sing da indulge to pa na traga masama as a campaigner amoina yakshan ba mathok tan khan bi brakari having
adudi it's a must hiding
kana kayam di yawnari mayam se
haziki horticulture department da aina khitang knowledge le hawada senior actor Jemaya Chaudhary urame and then Balasu urame the Danny Ligmabam the Mr Olan moi ngai su khara dum involve tor me da
Okay.
adaina khan bada si se compulsory oi bra na khale because artist haraga akoina film gi world sida khoi gi just behind the camera adu khaktang na taba khitang ka dare collaborate hadi atai leiriba society sigi film society sigi wang bada any huziki labu peke sorry I mean sangala si malem hai it's a field program dina akoina farmer sing do interact with the farmer sing akoi celeb ama la eka habe mo disu nungai jaba ade akoina so direct hadi akoina sidadi manipur ri film any promotion lak pada campaign chat pada yam toina chatte dana ko just film release tauba adu khakta da leibani da adugum se a part of ka tare promotion and also interaction with the people and khalle bai de
ayamga wari wada chana bagi
ana khoi disu yam nungai plus akoina leitaba knowledge hai tare any agriculture gi matang da adi farmers sing gi matang da knowledge moi disum am khangma ma hoiba
komaina pambi ma thagi khotke
yes adu da akoina am interest lai ta gi pambi ge sekta thajaning ak pagumba akoina something adu maine ta adu feel
la ha thadra su uchara ma yum da pore
ne ucha pore eba adu yam nungai
okay impact se nakal ani maktani celeb na khoi gi public ta piba impact amaruga public na celeb ta pirak pa na traga khoi gi farmer sing duna celebrity sing se ta pirai ba impact amani ado khoi makha tar ko da khoi film tau base huzik film di ngasai music video di 80 mathak ta yaw khre ningsing da bji yawre film di kyam ka yobi khre
film je aina lotion gi bada release tau gra 36 films the maina muk tau gra male ado recently huzik nami ba 16 films amuk nami
16
hab lotion da ba me
ongoing
aduka adi nam driba
khara se lai okay do yam yame punjal laga yang khai yok dore within 1 or 2 years the 50 crores torani have any half century so magi film yama adubu khoi gi film se tawna hatara khoi manipur gi film khoi ni su yeng jab da film gi set amani sum sa matam da project probably khara change lam dong wale chahi amani gi mamang ba even last year bhok da hatare film nam bham matam sida khoi gi actor sing sida script se pi da bhai gadra atra ka pir ga su actor sing singa sai bhuji film tratru simultaneously simultaneously natrag so mari manga di amuk ta plan nam manina script pa bagi hai tare natrag script sing do memorize to gi matam phang da badagi ni ga so har pu yauri natraga ko gi director sing do script se pitok tabne have yawi ko gi script se actor sing sina hari magi dialogue am goina pharga aina to badam se kari no hai bagi mota ko site gi assistant director ta director ma samang na prompt tor ena sma haibdo so da gi sagla me ga isu sagla me ga sma haibdo adu ma am to bose masi hujik pudi sum to buna haina biram basu yai kari haibin kari si wadhan kari haibin
masi gi problem se ka tare script hana pithok taba adu artist knowledge hana lai taba si sing sigi ne adu
okay script se pithok taba no idune
sigi culture se
hujik actors sing the accused story se actors sing moi they don't have time moi the film ahum mari tawi amukta aduna amagi jo script mayam do pa bagi matam leite aduna moi on set la ngata paen hai
adu maksu have ya de because akoina tawning taraga di script ma pa da 3-4 hours kai dok pada kasu kai da brana khale ada akoina yamna interest lai taraga di akoina thabak to phajana mai puna na taw taraga di adu pa bada kasu kai roi whether we should 20 films or 30 films
adu no muda set hai tar set ahum gumba ani gumba sasan badu madi leibra ado haide thama da film ani hum pulap tawsan tar gasu no da film ani hum chat padi leiti
no mada it depends on the person magi schedule tight ora pagi matungina na chaga correct tawraiba artist gi schedule tight ora pagi matungina habadi akoi di tham the film mari mangan namok pagi culture se leibadi na adum it happens
okay atuna hojiki keno se tawdia da bai tare adu khoi isa da script se fully pithoga nangi character se sini role se ni dialogue sing na si sini sin se da si yawi hai ma am se pithoga complete script se pithoga number film ga di yaw khra bra ko
ai film anamba da dumaina loina script lawe aduga aina analysis ta tawraga aina script to pathok charaga adumaina anamba taw aduga script pirak taba film directors leidna ko almai hadi like print out ta hodab ni khangde or else dum problem khadi dum leidna ko
okay ayam mana script sing le pire ya du script pirak taba probably film how number the how gre adu script evil lo yok da por masu ai and technically print out lok thok da or then no print out je break batung da soba ga sanga da war mi amle jeri ବ୍ୟक्ति an tanjar ke impact ni swimming tanu lebi
lamdam asida leiriba miyang gi nungai ba paujel mathang da adom na delhi chatpa matam da look act is hospitality services na adom gi service ta leizare lamdam asigi miyam na delhi da laklaga leifam chafam koi thi thi bagi mathau tadre ethnic cuisine, budget price ta, premium room sing AC ki khudong chaba amadi unlimited Wi-Fi broadband internet services ki khudong chaba yawarba leifamni. Mafam asida transport ki khudong chaba su pizari. Akupa marol gidamak Look Akis Hospitality Services F96 Manish Global Malls Sector 22 Dwarka New Delhi da contact to view.
Please contact 0999055302 or 0982181945. Look at Taste. Assurance redefined.
Welcome back. I don't know see Manung Hutna Saturday Night Show with me Rajrong Thongbam. Manung Hutna ki Saturday Night Show special edition asitang asiling sin role biri ba special guest asi none other than Soma Laishram ni Manipuri film Manipuri music video Manipuri film industry ki saknai raba mayam na khwairi ki to into uba ko gi popular very popular face hai batare Soma ado Soma mathang jai hangjan gi se koi hujikan di internet lakpadi hai tare matamam badi koi cable TV गे थ्रू नत्रगा कोई CD गे थ्रू से दगी है ना युम युम दा कोई म्यूजिक वीडियो सिंग फिल्म सिंग सी और मनते हुजिकटी टेलीविजन प्लस मरु इना कोई इंटरनेट है तारे फेसबुक एंड यूट्यूब गे थ्रू से चना की बसे सीधा कोई कमेंट गा से तुम तो तू नहीं लाइन गा सी रिलीज तो गा सी तुम कमेंट लाग पा फजा फजा कमेंट लाग जावी याम क्रिटिकल होय कमेंट याम नेगेटिव होय याम साउंडिंग फाउ कमेंट याम लाइक को फजा फजा लाई फतब सुलाई तारे संबिदा अदो कोई फजा कमेंट लाग पतो बदे तुम my thong the minu amde dum lamdong mali adu negative comment la kan di kari phaubi negative comment se karam na tackle tawi
ke hai tare khoi de artist oiru banina comment se negative pirak matam da hoi kisu khanjan baya de ha be artist like we are like kai tare muni gumane and mina phada nung thomjala so khoi khang da bane ba we are already dedicated for them aduna akhoi pambi ba lakani akhoi nu shibi ba yam lakani adubu si myam se akhoi na overcome to ngom ga bane artist hoita di
adubu myam haina badile I want to criticize to you please criticize me criticize
it's kind of feedback makhala mane ba mo na pira
adu dagi isa pu improve to bita ja phangi ga
very true
adubu haina ba mazu lai feedback tv view negative criticize to you di haiba adubu nobody wants a critic haibum dile kari habi ningi upai lete adu su hingjang se sum haw bata ta chaba di kamai ya no phado haw ta basu yarak ta ne duna haw ta thong nu mi to su dum haw ta ba chaba ta mane okay we have to tolerate okay koi punsi je makal ma theni we can't have the same thing every day miku khudimak ta por khudima hanjar jana phang bhai tu di oi da basu ya maramaduna live khudimak accept we have as an actor ado somagi website aita re www.somalaishram.com madu sang targadi somagi brief profile somagi mam khang banga magani at the same time somagi phaja ba कोई फोटोग्राफ्स सिंग सुमे आम थेंग ना बिरनी है तारे मधुदा सोमा से तसेंग ना मॉडल अमगे लुक से तुम उबिगनी मैम ना दुबु होजे कि somalaishram.com से मसी तसेंग ना करी की ऑब्जेक्टिव ता साबी की बनो वेबसाइट से मसी की ऑब्जेक्टिव है तारे मसिन करी नो अदुगा होजे पाउ मसी की वेबसाइट से ना एज अ ब्रांड सोमा ता कयाम याम ना काना बपी करम बा मखल की मतेंग पांगें खन भी
mentally na website sagi base kana gumana egi khaitare biodata hangak pa yawi maybe from here or outside adana every in a bad rase dum same aga chi de pile bisu I can't do that the ngam ta yawe aduna website amba sagi matam da igi details igi biography aduga ai kari kumi adigi ai kai tawre igi adu ngai do moda knowledge like jena ko aduna for that aduna ai adugi de bakta su sagi bane but kano se igi website se aduga ya ma kana ba phangi habadi kai tar ingonda suppose me ne keno ma thabak ama hangak pa matam da nangi adu to biro ha matam da ai su matam ma kai thok to ne magi ai introduction or ai gi bad ta do same bagi magi matam kai thok to ne but adu sing sung chang jeng da yeah just go visit my website or adu ai introduction mi ngona tha matam da so please visit my website and haraga I just get that
okay kana ba yam phangi ha no digital media tholok pa gi isa gi website ma create tok tar ga di tongan ba director obi ai producer obi ai production companies obi ai manipur gi manung lai ba ma pan lai ba da audience sing so bi audience manipur lai ba mayam yauri manipur lai ta ba mayam ma pan lai ri Soma gi film sing bo pam ja bai tare mayam so der pa phang no dum yarani ato Soma ko gi hujikan di koi digital media lak pa gi maro ina ko gi film namaga cha digital film loi namna ramani na digital technology se lak pa gi every haidi koi producer so director so mayam tholok pa actor so mayam tholok pani na challenge se khara wangkhale khan bra hau ki ba thaman se da su koi actor mayam ma actresses mayam launch to music videos ta su sena jare and ikoi ta film da zo mo mayam se loi uba smile mayam se tholok pani na koi gi hana da gi leram ba hai tare si hujik di senior gum odum oira ba jani sama hoise challenges feel to wi par kari ha biningi
thaba khudi mak loi challenges lei like tani khangde adagi political ground ni khangde challenges si lei gan challenge se negative to dina taba positive ho da habidi challenges si taraga kehta re isagi agi talent to adu he na expose to wanga makpa aduna challenge si lei ge da bane aduga hujik si digital si impact lakpa adu do hai be wane experience level talented level artist mayam su thogle yeng su yam nungai ko di adu moi su thogle nge ko di su nungai habadi akhoi amani kitanga leiraga artist amani kitanga leiraga akhoi da kitang adum hire to leiba adum akhoi da project variety being am nedana adu smile thob it's kind of competition aduga same platform amma da mi amani khak level su nungai ta bane habdi like you know rainbows is beautiful color different colors make a rainbow aduna adumana different artists different characters will make this film industry a very good one
yam khazab buki ama rainbow ama mayam sina siam dori bani aduna mi ani ung khang leraga industry to phajaga to unate variety to piba ngam moi habni yam noi je wafum je tajabda adu bu hujik ano ba tolai ba su lere adu hana dagi leramba actress haira se ko actor da su lak sake koi actress sing dadi kana si yamna shada inspiring oiba actor role model ki type ta khan bi bai tare antak yam pam jaba favorite personal favorite actresses ko ye isa gi mamang dagi antak isa gi batch pau gi marak tagi aduga makha younger generation dina kana kanam chi pame favorite isa gi favorite oin khan bi
akhoi industry gi ra
manipur industry koi ma pan gi di wari sabu du yaroi dong manipur industry
film industry hai manipur industry ha ra gi everyone is very inspiring like they are very different character me amamangi moi mangonda habidi mangonda yaudaba character do atopa actors amada yawi mangonda yaudaba character do atopa actor amta yawi duna everyone is very inspiring and I also want to be a very inspired person to everyone adigi motto to like I can't judge one person
okay electronics company am khaglai mo gi punchline hai tare inspiring next hai do mathang lai ba mi inspire taw bu ta ma pa mi habni adu bo ko gi anoba younger generation hai tare ne live sidadi sidu so dum chamana bra mayam se loina hadi everyone is talented ama natra amadi tamba pangi habgi adu wafum do lai targa su mayam live new crop sing sidagi as my mom di kitang distinctive oi gan khanja badi lai actor or be actress hadi no panu piani makta both male and female
I think everyone is just
everyone is equally talented
equally
inspiring
good yes
okay adu akoi director mayam su thabak tomina mani hadare ko director mayam se thabak tomina bata hoi huji yamna kana diplomatic oi ba hagadra pakum se loina ma everyone is
yes
equally nice moi war thabak tomina yam nuai na adu personally haitare ne hoi ai mayam am thabak tomina ba ma ga thabak tomina simadi okay everyone loi nungai ki adu amati mamati mon nungai jabai gi haitare ne amma leijai adu mati kana bi directors and probably co-actors tasu
co-actors ta haragadi everyone is so supportive like daboni da yambung kaiku dagoko moi ahum na hena khra pulle aduna moi ahum sene nu nuai mata
the directors study
talking about directors aina khra hena punba daromi adegi hemanta kuman Daji Nithauja se pule, adagi Kaka Jitendra ningombam, moina khara toina pule. So like
okay, toina pulli ba ko director sing hai tare ne. Makoi sina film hena PV bagi oidori bra anau ba koi new breed hai tare anau ba makal gi directors me am sulai mapalam degi laga namba ka su yauri makoi gati kitang ko to karigari.
Yes, they are all good. Apdi ai hozi film anoba hadi assignment hozi namme ba inakta leningai. Adu director Manoranjan and his brother Anil Longjam museum nungai.
Okay.
Habidi like they are very professional. Aduga
Anoba lai me am se.
Yes, yes. Aduga habidi work culture se moi nam tungala pa habidi storyboard ka puthorak tana adi script ka se hana prepare ta hondana kolandana even the light system equipments and all. Nungai. And happy khat toina pun bahabini ko. Everyone is just the same. Everyone is very cooperative and supportive, and I love them.
Film industry ki director hogira, producer hogira, actor hogira, koi crew me amse loina mak thawak tawina madan ngai habini yamna phaba wakhaloni aduga yamna maksu phais maina obi targati adubu kaino raj long thong jenga si Soma da hanga da wahang amma hangda lere mase hangda loisang gi jarga me am soundam dong mare Soma na handa ikui kui nai tar chahi amani mamangda chahi ani bu faram dong male koi angau malang haidana isai music isai ma haitare na sakpi ki ba konsil thabi ki ba angau edi thum isai su pa sakpa pambiri habani na probably madugi kano to tanja to thok jabagi ma phangi ba male mamang chai do dura kam kan do dino madugi angau ba malang hari isai tholoke
Chahi amhum phare.
Okay, chahi amhum phare ba phanang koire ado angau ba malang gi isai sakpai se masigi isagi ai isai ama sage haibagi adwain to gi bra script na kana haidi lyrics kana ai gi bano sigi isai si puthok si habagi production gi idea se kana na throat ore kamai to gi wari khar review dai
Okay, tare sigi se the person behind is very special to me.
Okay.
So mana support to ba like nang isai sakpa hai banina and hadi akoine isai bham the anchoring chalak pa yawe ara isai tang sakpi ko pyo habda isagi sum thamning pa habda habdi every film gi isai do koina habdi singer makti natta banina koina present to bongam da ba aduna sum adigi hadi nang drive gumba chalak padaga own voice isai ge sum taning ak pa ilak pada why don't we make our own video I mean like own album khanarak pa ada lyric series is adum agi friend ne Bronson Kumak Chaman thame bandai akoi friend ani hum punsalaga and my very close friend and director Hemanta Kuman akoi ngai tanaraga sumaina ma puthok sena
Okay, to say isai si punna kya na ama khatang odura
it's just one album
ama khatane ba sai ama khakne to bi sai ama
hadi ai isai sa adi isai sakpa hai habi khangani me ko bet nataba ai fansing that dedicated to all my fans and also for my father adi babana ise being ai degi isai sakpa se sum pam hai dare class 2-3 the grade 2 night and akhoi lekai de to boga se rubra ki marak ta ga isai ga dum sangale matam de di hindi ka lo yab ni na loi sai ada ai babana karaoke machine ga leidana khotana yamna ka hai tare engda to bi ga ta dana I want to dedicate this song to my dad and khala the man is to bi
okay ko gi leki draba pabong amadi manipur gi somabu thawai ta nem biri pa manipuri film industry gi audience me am sida dedicate to boina hari ba angau bo malang hari be sai si puthok bani habani amaka puthok pani hoji pawi oina du amaka puthok pasida dum super hit oki ba super duper hit oi ba hoji pawa dum oi ri ba lekai da toina khongna bi sei ni du angang pili angang cha hogal pasing dina hai tare akoina su lekai da jagoi ga to matam da hai bi sei si toi sina bi sei ni angaw malang ibana koi imung gi angang pi macha sing bo hai tare soma du ngai taw dum law le bi jani iban lam koi ba sabata soma gi photo le ra halak tuini aduna hai bi sei si Soma gi sai bu pamjaba Soma gi acting bu pamjaba Soma as a person oina pamjaba manipuri miyam ge damakta manipur da leiba mati manipur gi mapandra leiba YouTube ki through da ngasi gi hari manu hon gi throm se yenga doriba mayam ge damakta Soma na hari ba angau malang super duper hit oi krabi sai si matiam tang sakpiro
Okay. Can I start?
Ha hobiro
Nagle angau bo malang na mai kai khangda Tarakle nonglik sulai maida tamna Thang lage kong thang thamoina chatpa lambida Hing lage hai gi punsi ning tamna Thank you.
Last ki line dum tak chitha male
It's a chorus.
Okay. Mayam puna sakadaba chorus oibnina swaidon loisalage habani anwai jai sei si tabagi hadi taringe nauna som ano botholpa donu dum khanjai hatare. It's always fresh.
Another
Amasu lere.
on voice will be coming out very soon for a movie.
Recording loire pura.
Recording hadak tawdene.
Tawdune ba. Sei iba loire production. Practice tawba hore.
Practice tawri.
Okay. Yam tuna ano ba. Music video amasu tolani habani music album amasu tolani yam ngai jadu
album na de.
Okay, album.
Gi
Only
film song.
Yeah, film gi sei oi dune film se
title
playback
song.
singer amo ina su adi isagi konjeli sana saksa dune ba kari film no sina
Enact the leading.
okay enact the leading have film sida Soma gi ani soba konjel have tari sei da taba phangani manipur gi miyamna ado Soma ko gi isai su ko modeling di horga acting di mu isai la what next I am makha kari to bin future plan ultimate future aim se kari to gen kan bi
huzikti film se suspense te yam thamne dun I'll keep that suspense. Who knows, I'll be the next politician.
Okay, politician or kuch yari
next female director. So
okay, women director direction ki matang se tum khan bi bra adi after some point of time
I'm just speaking. Hadi sum highway wane, who knows.
Okay, adu bo full fledged singer mo kuch yari ken public on demand tokta kadi singing singer mo kuch dum yari maybe adu bo ko gi actor sing sina okay ma actor ma oina akoi modeling su tauri film da su kumi adu ko isai mu sakchal tar ga di koi manipur gi lari singer mayam se gi profession se mu mana share to thokare hai bi wa pham ga di lak tabra kari hai ni
no a professional singer ma oye na isai do
natta bata
natte just
isana
pamja bagi adiga like just changyeng ama ni
adu pamja tar ga su pamja sakhi changyeng ama oina sakhi tar ga ju isai duna takhatana phawja lak tar ga di atop singer mayam gi sei tu mo gi duna phaw da tar ga di obviously mo ina su as challenge mo gi competitor mo rak tu ni ba Soma to for example ai singer amane ai isai jam forum mane adu Soma tholo pu dei ji phaw faruk tre ba adu oi tar ga di
adu maksu oiro
okay adu maksu oiro adu life is unexpected anything can happen am ekta work pu yai direction da lak pu yai politician am work pu yai anything work pu yai mar modon madu open thamge adu ka life ta laiba any thaba khodi mak openly embrace the election ge have any concern ge have any adu aroi basida koi Soma te hangjeni ge si hoji film mayam su lakdo le re film tratrum lakdo le re anobu da ko adu future su open oina dum thamgen haibiri adu actor ama oina hoji chap yong na khan bi bise koi kuji role sing se aya mana koi romantic role gumbo oina dum thengna jabai tare koi keno gum sa bai di horror movie amani di yaur mane sayon have gana do adura ta bita koi challenging oi bai ga koi mani film ki se kitang typical oi script su dum chap iman mana bi type toba romantic or ga su romance da yamna toan ba makhal gi ami ga je kapan ba hadi kap dului kapi ko mani film sing se
romantic
kitang tongan ba hai tare na adu masu hai mayam su dum yeng ningi kari habin ngi su mo makhal gi film to bi ka di khan bi bra script pang da bai war ko to busan
okay no the lady will be coming very soon have the project se I could la edu the preparation schedule gi pina bangana lare keno I'll be doing a very kaitare stun yam yawa
okay action isana to jatura stun myam duso
yes
film mami gadi highway arab sala du suspense
haido
puyadri film mami haido puyadri ga waram dong maliko
kaude already adugumba action project se ani mugla amadi huzike dum nami duna chanu IPS
okay chanu IPS haibam sulak tori
this action khara yawe I'll be playing a very tough girl
chanu IPS adum sadoro bane
chanu IPS to sama hadi yam strong woman mo ibama sarakadaba aduana hadi like mina huzipauta mayam na public na uri se hadi icham cham jabai ngau zabadi cracky ba lang ba du mo character do idana ade kitang on thorok pada ina huzik focus to jai se kitang chingle ma character gi romance khara yaw ba plus with action adugum gi kano the script amuk focus to uri
okay tongan ba flavor mahau mayam amuk loirana Soma gi tongan film mayam sulani even anova flavor amada anova mahau amada isai su film gi isai su laktore maramaduna lakadru matam khara si Soma gi timing haigadra Soma gi year haigadra madu madi songso soidon oidong mali on the not ngasi ko enadi manu hunagi tharam si matang saito sinjarge ngasi gi tharam si da Soma lengse break tuna ngasi gi tharam si ba thawai happy khiba madi mapung pan gi dongta Soma bo mukana thaga jo phondok chari appreciate you joining
my pleasure
मसने ngasi ki manu hungi thoram ngasi ki risana se karam tobi bagi ko takhan bir payagani ko email id di impacttvnews@gmail.com natraga ko Facebook page www.facebook.com/impactvmanipur da join tobiraga comment amadi feedback thabir payagani. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us from the other side of the screen. Until next time, this is Laishram signing off. Kurumjari.